Good day. Welcome to Misty Mountain Homestead. My name is Leanne, and today we'll do a very quick video on I was just about to make a foaming shave soap for my husband, and I just finished making a batch of uh, peanut butter. So we just put 5 cups of peanuts in there and put it in the food processor and go. So with the foaming soap, all you need is, I will switch you around here just for 1 second. Um, okay, so you need uh, a 1/4 cup of aloe vera gel, and I just use this stuff here. I get this on Amazon, and you need a 1/4 cup of liquid Castille soap. I just happen to have lavender, and that's what I use. And a tablespoon of olive oil, regular extra virgin olive oil, and a few drops of um, vitamin E. And I just buy these. It lasts a very long time. I have this one for years already. It's the what do you call it? Preservative that you put in there, so it's not a bad thing. And a few drops of lavender essential oil. You can use any essential oil as you like. So you just need a jar. I like these little mason jars here, and these little pumps that goes with that. So we'll just start making this, and yeah, we'll just add this and show you the result, because I just don't have my setup here. I need a taller tripod. The system I was using is broken and it's not working very well. So anyway, I'll just pause this. I'll be right back when it's all mixed together. Okay, maybe I'll just try to make it like this then. So my measurement is not like I'm bad for measuring. So I do about like a 1/4 cup. There, that's about a 1/4 cup. 1/4 cup of Castille soap. 1/4 cup of olive oil. A few drops vitamin E. And a few drops of essential oil of your choice. We just happen to like this. Mix that in a jar. Oops. Oh yeah, I need a 1/4 cup of water too. I forgot about that. Um, and then you just shake this, and it makes a nice foamy uh, soap for shavings. So ladies could use that too, also for shaving legs or whatnot. But anyway, and that's it. So if you do like this video, just click the subscribe button up and give me a thumbs up. And you can click the little bell button so you'll know the next time I shoot a video. I'm going to try to get more on a regular basis very soon. It's been pretty hectic with different, anyway, personal things around here. So, but hopefully everything will start to roll over. I want to do a chicken video and my first garden tour. Uh, If I wanted to wait until there's no more weeds and it looks all pretty, it's never going to happen. So you're just going to have to bear with all the weeds and the wild things that is happening out there. But the main thing is you grow food. That's the main thing. So anyway, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.